Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable mode switching during calls in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, so in settings, scroll down and find the smart inconvenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart inconvenient, okay, you can see the gesture and motion. Okay, go to gesture and motion. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in gesture and motion, okay, you can see the smart call. Okay guys, select smart call. And okay guys, here in smart call, okay, you can see the mode switching during calls, and okay, you can see the switch button on the right side. Okay, to enable the mode switching during calls, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the button. And okay guys, if the mode switching during calls is enabled, okay, automatically switch audio from speaker to receiver when the phone is held near your ear. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.